Avocado. Oh my gosh! Ay, this is the cafe.
Very low-key. Low-key cafe.
The Kuhan. Uy! This is the old Koro. So, what can you say? We're currently here in Hanoi. An old quarter, Hanoi. Ay! Fresh fruits! Uy, gusto ko yan later. Bibili kami. And it's giving. Feeling ko sinadya ninyo na ano, no? Ibang floor
So the
kayo.
challenge here is paano kayo
Kami
nakakatawid?
tatawid.
Cheers or night?
Oh! Girl, ito yung mga
Experience here, no? Hi guys!
Ay! This one of the painting! I saw it! You know? Wow!
Ay, literally here.
Ay, ako din. Look ito! This is cute.
Ay, that's that? From 57, from 50.
50. Oh, 2.9. Ayan, mga budol. Yung travel kasi namin na to, spontaneous lang. Hindi talaga planned to. So, what we did is, gusto namin talagang maghalong bay. So, pumunta kami dito sa, I'm not sure, what's the name of this tourist. So, we booked the deluxe package with buffet going to Halong or Halong Bay. It's originally 55. Pero dahil nga do birthday ko, $50 na lang each. So, parang 2,900 pesos. So, I'm not sure if mura na yon or mahal. Pero, pinutos na namin. Kasi, nandun na yung transfer eh. 8 a.m. yung pick up. Tapos, balik namin dito is 8 p.m. Tapos, ang tawag dito? Pick up by limousine na. Tapos, buffet. Parang 5-star cruise yung sasakyan namin. That will be tomorrow. Hayaan ko naman sila dyan. Gusto ko yung ganito, oh. Yung magbubrubo ka lang sa harap. Ng coffee. Ayan. The name is, ayan, The Scene Tourist.
For the address,
The address.
The one we can just walk. Matcha siya.
What's that? Mochi is like something sweet. How much?
150 for 10.
10.
150 for 10.
How many?
Like 10.
Huh?
One more. Promote. Okay.
How much is that? 150. 150. We're now heading to Cafe Giyang. Cafe Giyang is where the original egg coffee. Yes.
Ayun na lang tayo sa ano. Ayun ako.
Yung amoy na amoy mo talaga yung mga incense tuwing naglalakad ka. I mean, tumadaan ka sa mga stores. Oh my God! Cafe Giyang? Giyang? The egg? Zhang. Okay, straight. Okay. The egg coffee. Egg coffee. Come on, ito yung signature. Yan, dyan tayo We'll go do sa mga cafe after. We will try first the egg coffee. Nakakatuwa, So, weekend nga pala ngayon. Oo, kasi parang napanood ko sa isang vlog na every weekend, they're closing this area, this circle. So, sakto weekend ngayon. Tapos, baka pumunta kami dyan sa isa sa mga restaurant dyan or cafe para may view kami ng mga event dito sa baba. Ang saya. And this is the lake. Look. Gosh, hinahanap ko yung Cafe Giang. Tapos ito yung nadaanan ko. Yay! Nag-Google Maps lang ako. Actually, sarado to. Kasi parang yun nga may event. And may free Wi-Fi. Kaya nakapag-Google Map ako. But sabi ng Google Map, somewhere here yung Cafe Giang. Oh! Dito lang pala yung puppet show. Oh my gosh. Malalapit lang talaga sila. Hanapin ko muna ang Cafe Giang because I'm using my phone and taking a video, and at the same time I'm using it for the Google. Hello, nawala ako. Hindi na kinayan ng Wi-Fi yung area na pinagdaanan ko. Tapos nagtanong ako dun sa guard ng yung water puppet. And sabi niya, dito daw. Oh my goodness! Where am I going? Oh my gosh. Where's the Cafe Giang? Cafe Giang, the egg coffee. Giang. Hold on. Pinasulat pa niya sa akin yung name kasi hindi niya ako maintindihan. Kaya I typed the name sa notes and showed him. He pointed me the direction pero ramdam ko hindi pa rin niya ako naintindihan. Nag-adjust naman sila, like me. Mali ko lang sana, nag-screenshot ako ng picture mismo kasi even youngsters na pinagtatanungan ko, di nila alam kung saan yun. I keep repeating pa na original egg coffee. Sabi ko pa, I will not give up until I find it. Ramdam ko rin kasi ang layo ko na kung nasaan ko iniwan yung mga kasama ko. They decided to stay na lang sa malapit na cafe doon sa roundabout kasi ang init nga naman ng panahon. Until I decided to give up. Sabi ko, sige, next time na lang, marami pa namang araw. But, even papalik na ako, I still keep looking around, hoping na makikita ko, until finally. So, ang paghahanap ng Cafe Giang, parang life. When you feel like giving up because life doesn't seem like working your way, give up na agad. Just keep trying. Who knows, right? Sabi nga, nothing's worth having comes easy. Dami kong sinabi. Cafe Giang lang naman ang hinahanap ko. Oh my God. After a long, long walk, I found it. Oh my God, the smell is awesome. I don't know where's cafe. Where's Louie? Here. Got it. Cafe Giang. Oh, our coffee. Oh, this is giving. It's giving, girl.
Dugo. Kala ko saan ako tinuturo ng mga pinagtatanungan ko. Oo. Nice. Do you have... Can I have water? Do you have water? Cold. Thank you. Thank you. In fairness, hindi naman siya lasang ano. Hindi siya lasang egg. I mean, yeah, egg. Just so creamy, ano. Yum. I love it. Just for the experience, you know. Nice. This is nice. Ah, coffee Gia. Oh. Thank you. I will pay there.
Okay now.
Ah, okay. Hold on. I-chat ko muna sila. Naghihintay sila dun sa isang cafe. Alis na ako. Si Cookie Tata. Cafe Giyang! There, Giyang! Ah. Should go back here. Ay, hindi ko memorize para may pinagdadaan-daanin ko. Pero I'll try my best.